So if I'm going to talk about a linear equations, all the equation in which the maximum power of a variable is 1. In short, what we have to say that maximum power of variable equation having maximum power of variable is 1. Such type of equations are known as linear equation. Now, for example, you have 4x plus 3 is equal to 7. It is a linear equation. You have 4x plus 7y is equal to 2. It is linear equation as well because the power of the variable is 1. You have 9x plus 7y plus 2z is equal to 9. This is also the linear equation because the maximum power of the variable is 1. This is the linear equation in one variable. It is the linear equation in, yes, anyone? In two variables. Yes, how many variables in the equation 3?
Yes, sir.
How many variables in equation 3?
3.
P.
There are 3 variables. So all of these equations are linear, but what is the difference? The first one having a one single variable, in the second one you have two variable, in the third one you have three variable. Now let's we have to talk about, we are talking about the simultaneous linear equations. Yes, anyone having the idea what does it mean by simultaneous?
In simultaneous equations, we have two variables and two equations.
All right, that's correct. Any other one?
It's two sets of equations that have the same variable, and you try to find the values of those variables that satisfy all of the equations.
Learn Safa. Yes, Isha. Yes, Isha, you have any idea? Isha, I can't hear you. Can you please say it again?
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
I think my mic wasn't working. So
No, no, now
it's
it's working.
oh, it's where you have two sets of equations where if they have a matching pair of variables, or you can make them matching, and then
Yes.
you find what each variable is and sub it in to find the next variable.
Yeah. All right. All of you are going to be correct. It is the set of equation having a same having same variables, but it is not necessary that you have two set of equations. It can be three set of equations, it can be four set of equations, it can be 10 set of equations. So all of these equations are known as simultaneous, but the condition is they must having a same variable. However, in which equation we are talking about? So we are talking about the set of equations, so in which we have two equations and two variables. Okay, but other equations are also known as simultaneous. So if you have, for example, if you have three variables, so you need three equations to solve them. If you have four variables, so you need four equations to solve them. So the equations we are talking about in which you have two variables, normally it will be x and y. So we need only two equations. All right. Like in this form, we have ax plus by is equal to c and ex plus dx plus ey is equal to f. Okay, a, b, c, d, e, f are the constants. For example, you have an equation minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 5. You have another equation 4x minus 5y is equal to minus 7. So look at here, we have two equations and having a same variable x and y. Now, the next thing we are going to be talking about the methods to solve the simultaneous linear equation. Yes, anyone? How many methods we have to solve simultaneous linear equation? Algebraic methods,
Uh,
not
one
graphical.
is elimination.
One is elimination. Yes, right.
One is substitution, I think.
Yes. We have two methods. The elimination method, algebraic method. Okay, I'm not talking about the graphical. We have a graphical method as well. And the second one is substitution method. So we have two methods to solve the simultaneous equations. Now I'm just going to solve the equation by substitution method. It is going to be really easy. Substitution method. Okay, I'm going to take the same example here. Now let's say this is the question and examiner says that you have to solve this equation by the substitution method. Yes, anyone, what would be the first step?
We take one equation and we put one variable at one side and the other, all of the other things at the other side of the equal.
Yes. The first step is, you are exactly right. The step one is we have to make any variable as a subject from any equation. Okay, you can make x as a subject, you can make y as a subject. It's up to you. You are making from x equation one or from equation two. Let's say I'm going to be give the name. It is equation one, and it is my equation two. So yes, Tuba, which variable you want to make as a subject, and from which equation?
Y from equation 2.
Equation two. You want to make y as a subject. So we have 4x minus 5y is equal to minus 7. Now look at here, it is minus 5. Take it on the side, it will be plus 5. And minus 7 will be here, it will become plus 7. Now 5 is multiplying, take it on the other side, so it will be divide. This equation will become equation 3. Yes, anyone have a question? Mustafa, Ishal?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Now you have to substitute this value into the other equation. In the step 2, substitute the value in the other equation. Other equation means, for example, if you have to make a subject from equation 1, so you need to substitute the value in equation 2. And if you have to make a subject from equation 2, you need to substitute the value in equation 1. So we will substitute the value in equation 1. So the equation 1 we have minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 5. Minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 5. Let's substitute the value. We'll get that 4x, sorry, minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 5. At the place of y, we will substitute the value of 4x plus 7 divided by 5. Okay, I just want to remove the denominator. The easiest way, you have to multiply the whole equation by 5. You have to multiply with the first equation by 5, the second term with 5 as well, and on the other side with 5 as well. This is the easiest way to remove the denominator. So from here, 5 is going to be cancelled out. I'm going to be get minus 10x plus 4 times 4 is 16x, 4 times 7 is 28, 5 times 5 is 25. 16 minus 10 will be 6x. Take the 25 on the other side, 28 on the other side will be minus 28. 25 minus 28 will be minus 3. 6 is multiplying, it will be divide. So I'm going to be get the value x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So when you are substituting the value into the other equation, so you will get the numerical value of one variable. Yes, Mustafa, what we have to do next?
You use the value of x and substitute it into the first equation to find y.
Yes. We have to substitute this equation in any of them. Okay, it's up to you. You want to be substitute in equation 3, so you can. You can substitute this value in equation 2. You can also substitute in equation 1. It's up to you. Okay, because now you have a numerical value. When you have a numerical value, you can substitute it in any equation. So the last step is substitute the value. I think it's better. I will write numerical value in any equation. And the best choice is the equation 3. The reason is in equation 3, y is already subject. I don't need to do the any type of simplification. So the equation 3 we have y is equal to 4x plus 7 divided by 5. So substitute the value of x, 4 into minus 1 by 2 plus 7 divided by 5. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to be get minus 2 plus 7 divided by 5. So y is equal to 5 over 5. So I'm going to be getting the final answer. Y is equal to 1. Yes, everyone. Any question?
No.
All right, everyone. So I'm going to be sending you the worksheet, okay, for simultaneous equation. You have to solve this equation by the substitution method. Okay, the substitution method is the easiest one. You already done in your IGCSE and O levels. That's why I'm just going to do a single question. Still, anyone have a question about solving the question so we can discuss it into the next class as well.